Hey, how's it going? This is the next to the last diorama that I've got, and it's made by the folks at Crown Premiums, and this is a more modern version of a Snap-on garage. You can tell little toy air compressors. It's 143 scale, which I believe is O scale. The detail is just really cool on here. And this one is of a Ford truck, and this Ford truck actually is just a 143 scale. It doesn't do a lot, which, you know, I kind of wish it would, but it does have working lights. In the back, and then they glow, and what you're picking up is the glow. And it's set for a preset amount of time. As you can tell, working lights. And then it glows on the inside, and it also glows under. And it's got a little battery compartment. So, it does have a tailgate. And some toolboxes with Snap-on tools inside. It's a very cool diorama, and you know, for a Snap-on collector like me, this would be a good addition to the collection. It's, I guess this is a 154 Super Cab. No, 150 Super Cab, I'm sorry. And it's licensed by Ford and Snap-on. And they've got the folks at Crown Premiums. And you can mount these either together, you know, if you have them all, you can mount them together. You can also you can mount them on the, have them on a table, or you can wall mount them. I'm wall mounting mine. And it's just a really cool little thing, and I like the fact that the lights don't come on unless they only come on for about, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. And then they go out, which saves on the batteries. But anyway, guys, take it easy. Yeah, anybody who's into Snap-on stuff, I think the folks at Crown Premiums did a really, really cool job on this. And it didn't come with the tools, the parts that you see here. I kind of wish it did, but I had some extra parts, so I went ahead and threw them in just to kind of add to it. Take it easy, guys. Later on.